Hello guys, today me and my brothers are going to be taking apart this controller. You'll be needing this tool. It's a star wrench with a hole in the middle of it. There is 7 screws. I already unscrewed them before this video. There is 1, 2, 3. There's normally a barcode sticker there. That's 4, 5, 6, and 7. After you do that, you will need to pop the back of this off, and the motherboard should be in the front like this. You will have to take this off and then grab anywhere on your motherboard, pop the motherboard out, and that is how you take apart your controller.